everybody. It's another early start here in El Nido once again. We're going to be going on another motorbike adventure just like last time up north, but a bit further than Nakpan Beach. We're going to another popular beach called Duli Beach, and we might even go to some others. It depends how it is up there, but yeah, neither of us have ever been to these beaches before, so yeah, we're looking forward to going there. And we're just gonna have breakfast first before we head out. So lately we've always been eating this oatmeal here, Quaker, same brand that you have all around the world, I think, the most popular one. And we also use this powdered milk, and yeah, we add some bananas as well, make it a bit more healthier. And we usually also have some tea, green tea or black tea. So yeah, that's gonna be our breakfast once again. So we're going to be heading out now to Duli. It's quite far from here. It's going to take around an hour, I think. Yeah, so definitely a bit of a scooter adventure. And I think the road's supposed to be pretty bad half of the way. So yeah, we'll have to see how that goes. And some of you asked if we still have to wear the mask while riding. And here right now we do. So yeah, that's the rule. So this right here is Duli Beach. The road was definitely worse than Nakpan. Wasn't too bad, I guess, but yeah, there were some parts where you'd have to go uphill and it was just all rocky and stuff, but yeah, it's okay. And just like Nakpan, there isn't a single person here. Beautiful around here though, very green area. The drive here was amazing as well. And it's another gigantic beach. The sand isn't as white as Nakpan though. Water's still pretty nice and clear here though. And we read that this was popular for surf, right?
Yeah, not today because there are no waves.
Yeah, no surfing today, but apparently this is a surfing beach. And doesn't look like that many people live here. I can see a few, looks like accommodations here, maybe restaurants. I'm not sure if they're open though. Might be able to check that out later on. Where should we go, Carol?
I don't know.
You don't know? Left or right? Left has absolutely nothing. Right still has a few things. You want to go right?
Okay.
Yeah. Escape the sandflies. I can see them around you.
Oh,
Yeah, this part looks really beautiful though. Got all the nice rocks. We've come to the the far side because there's some shade here. Some sort of resort here as well. Looks really nice at the end of the beach. Saw a few people staying here. Yeah, but I just mentioned the sandflies. Me and Carol have been absolutely destroyed the last 2 or 3 days. I think it's the first time we've ever been bitten by sandflies, and it's just constant itchiness. Feels like your body's on fire. It's terrible. So yeah, we brought insect repellent today, and yeah, I finally know what people are talking about, because people have asked me about sandflies before, but we've never had problems with them. And yeah, it's about 1,000,000 times worse than mosquitoes. I hope nobody that's watching ever gets bitten by sandflies, and if you have, you'll know what we're talking about. I don't think they'll get us under here, right?
No.
I hope
the only
not.
place we're safe is underwater.
Yeah. Wow, this looks amazing though here.
Yeah. It reminds me of Ilha Grande.
In Brazil.
Yeah, so if you guys haven't watched our Brazil videos, there's one place that we went, Ilha Grande, it's like big island, and it's similar.
Yeah,
Very beautiful.
the water's a bit greeny like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then over there also it's a bit more of a orangey, I guess, sand, orangey brown. Very different to Nakpan. I thought it was going to be a bit similar, but it looks completely different.
Yeah. And I like that there's like mountains around.
Yeah, it's different landscape, right?
Yeah, very beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, I think some people might actually prefer this to over Nakpan. So we're gonna try and do some snorkeling. We brought these little goggles. Maybe around the rocks there'll be quite a few fish.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Beautiful Carol.
So we ended up snorkeling for quite a long time. I think it was about 15 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty tiring. Not that many fish though, mainly small ones. I saw some big ones, but they were really hard to get close to. Around the rocks there, it was pretty cool because it got really deep and you had all like the algae and stuff. So yeah, it was still pretty cool either way. So there's actually 3 beaches here. This one's Duli Beach, obviously, the one that we're on, quite a long one. And then I don't know if you can see, but there is one in the middle over there. We're gonna head there after this soon. And at the end there's another quite big one as well. So yeah, 3 overall. But we're really loving this one so far. I mean, this part's amazing. It's like a little swimming pool because the rocks like protect it. So it's nice and shallow and you can just sit down and lie down here. Looks incredible.
Why not?
So there's no signs around here, but we think this is the way, like the trail to go to the beach, and you can see there, we can see the ocean, so we think we're gonna try this.
So this is probably gonna be easily the most off the beaten path place that we've been to in El Nido. Literally nothing here at all, just this dirt road, and yeah, this pretty funky looking trail here. No sign at all, but checking Google Maps, it looks like the beach will be this way through the jungle. Looks cool around here though, look at this. Probably our first time walking through the jungle actually, here in El Nido. What is it, spiderweb?
Yeah.
I guess that means nobody's walked by in a while. Not in the last few hours anyway. Look at that big boat that's being made. Yeah, I guess they're making a boat here. Here we go.
Made it.
Secret beach found. Wow, this is awesome.
Yeah. Well, I thought it would be smaller, but it's pretty big.
Yeah, it is a pretty big beach. Check this out. So I only found this just clicking on beaches on Google Maps, and there was only like 4 reviews, but yeah, people basically said it's always deserted. There's no huts or even local people that live here, so this is like a true virgin beach. That's what they said in the reviews. You have a boat here though, so I don't know, maybe someone's around here somewhere, but yeah, look at this. This is awesome. And then over there around the corner is the 3rd beach that I was telling you about before. Can't even see Duli Beach from here. It's around that corner somewhere. So we found our little spot in the shade here. There's this big open area, and we're gonna have a little picnic, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Sandwiches and some snacks.
Yeah. So last time on that pan, we couldn't find any restaurants there, so we didn't want that to happen again. So we got some tuna sandwiches here. There you go. And yeah, we just got some crisps and stuff. Yeah, so this is our lunch for today, just a tiny little sandwich. Pretty good though. How's it going?
Very bad.
Yeah, the water here is just as beautiful as the last place, pretty much identical. Looks just as good. I wonder whose boat that is.
Yeah, there's nobody here.
Yeah, nobody here at all. It's this random boat. Let's take it away. The beach is called Mariposa Beach, also known as Butterfly Beach in Spanish. Mariposa means butterfly or moth, I think, so that's why. And there's loads of butterflies back there. We saw like orange ones, black ones, white ones, so yeah, I guess that's why it has that name. And we always love coming to these kind of places when you find places like this that you know nobody really comes to, and you have it all to yourself. Always feels kind of unreal, the feeling of being in such an isolated place.
It's only us and the sandflies.
Oh, it's the sandflies, yeah, and the deserted boat. We're going to be heading back to El Nido now, the town. Probably been out for 4 to 5 hours now, so yeah, that's enough beach for us for today. Pretty sure we'll be coming back to this beach. We love this one just because it's so secluded. Yeah, so another amazing day exploring El Nido. It's just been good to see all these new places. El Nido definitely has more to it than just the boat tours, that's for sure. And yeah, as always, just drop a like on the video to support us if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.